4 zucchinis or 4 plants?
4 plants. It's raining.
Today is June 29th. And our summer of thunderstorms has begun, I think. This is what our neighbors tell us happens every day in the afternoon. Though this started in the morning.
Praise the Lord.
Got a little steam on my lens there, but we don't have to water the garden today. Or my pumpkins. Let's go check a look at the pumpkin. I'm not seeing too well. Yeah, I can't see anything. This is our volunteer spaghetti squash. We did not plant any spaghetti squash this year, and yet we are going to have an abundance because the folks that lived here before us clearly threw out spaghetti squash to rot, and here we are. I mean, they're pretty much everywhere. We have them here. I have some growing here. And I have some growing over here on the mound. Neighbors think I'm crazy for sure. Got some volunteer sunflowers up here too. Trying to grow some grass. This was all sand not too long ago. Here's some more squash plants. But here's my pumpkin patch that is purposefully planted. Can walk down. I'm hoping to have pumpkins for all of the neighborhood kids. Blaze, Delilah, Landon and his friends. I'm just going to invite everybody over to come and pick pumpkins. And I just planted these maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe a week ago, and they are coming up. So yeah, this is what I'm doing this year with our drainage field, leach field. Someday when you drive in, this is where you'll see our house. Imagine our porch, a couple of inviting chairs, and a welcome sign inviting everyone to stop by McCash Manor and get a cup of sweet tea and fresh vegetables. Catching some rain. So Gwen was pulling out of her driveway and she's probably looking at me like, they're definitely from California. What is she doing walking around in the rain? So what were you going to say? Something for the video or no?
Oh, just so a little trick. Remember I pulled the seeds out of the zucchini?
Yes.
And they still had some membrane stuff to them. So I washed them in water, let them sit overnight, came back and they slimed up. I was able to clean all the membrane off.
Wonderful.
Without having to pick it. So
that is a great tip.
Trick. So
and I'm pretty sure
I've seen people just clean them, sit there and wash them and clean them, but they came perfectly clear by sitting every day.
That's awesome. This is our harvest for today. Here's your seeds. It's great. We're not planting any of those seeds. I think the zucchini just grow on their own. We're working on some sweet potato slips over here. Trying basil. Still the monsters I have left to shred and make into bread. So much water.